Hello friends, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna make a very tasty candy. This is super crunchy and so easy to make. And its name is Honeycomb Candy because this toffee has the beautiful texture of honeycomb. It is also called as Hokey Pokey or a Cinder toffee, whatever you call it. It tastes simply amazing. Let's start by adding sugar into a pan, followed by some water. Now you have to bring it to boil, melt the sugar and very lightly caramelize it. And while caramelizing, you should be very careful. It should not change to brown color or your entire toffee will be ruined. So when it slightly changes its color to a golden shade, turn off the flame. Now immediately add the baking soda as soon as you remove it from the heat. Now you have to mix it and be very careful because it's gonna bubble up like this. And don't over mix it because you don't want to lose all those bubbles which were formed. Now pour it immediately into a tray which is lined with parchment paper and do not touch it because it's burning hot. Now keep it aside till it's completely set. It will take around 2 hours. And after 2 hours, our candy is completely set. We'll just take it out from the parchment paper. Now let's break this candy into pieces. See the beautiful honeycomb texture which is formed inside the candies? These delicious Cinder toffees will have a crunch in the beginning and it slowly melts in your mouth. You can dip these toffees in melted dark chocolate. You can use these Cinder toffees as cake toppings, or you can make this into a powder and mix it with different flavors of ice creams. It tastes really well with all the desserts. And there it is, our super easy to make and very tasty and crunchy honeycomb or Hokey Pokey or Cinder toffees are ready. So definitely try these recipes at home and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.